Need a homemade smoothie that's loaded with energy-boosting ingredients? Here's a quick and easy delicious way to start your day. Delicious blueberry banana smoothie. Easy, tasty, so good for you. This is another easy and tasty food idea. Subscribe now. You will need 2 ripe bananas and 1/4 cup blueberries, 1/4 cup non-fat yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger and some spring water. Directions: use a blender or single-serve blending cup. Add ginger. Add yogurt. Add bananas and blueberries. Add water to just below the max fill line. Pulse and blend for 20 to 30 seconds. It's ready! Enjoy your delicious blueberry banana smoothie. Easy, tasty, and oh so good for you. Be sure to like and comment on this video. Remember to watch this channel regularly. Subscribe to this channel and be notified when the next great, easy, and tasty video is available. Thanks for watching.